sound you want.
All components level.
Let's be honest. Audio is complicated. Shopping for headphones is stressful. Ohms, kilohertz, dBs, impedance, sound stages. It's information overload, and you should be confused. But here's the thing. None of that stuff really matters. We're here to make things simple. That's why we created Atta Gora. We make innovative audio equipment for discerning minimalists with refined styling and unique character. It's simple. We think that headphones should sound good, but they should look and feel good too. It's about standing out with simplicity and standing up for authenticity. When it comes to a superior audio experience, this is what actually matters. Thoughtful design, convenient connectivity, inspiring sound. Everything else is just noise. It's about the power to connect, but the freedom to disconnect. Most of all, it's about you. Atta Gora's headphones and earbuds fit seamlessly into your life, created to inspire you, not to define you. Whatever it is you do, keep doing it. We're not here to sell you a logo or a lifestyle. We're here to champion your originality and heighten your expectations. You do you. We'll provide the soundtrack.